This is PZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add polls to Instagram post. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Polls have a permanent place in Instagram stories, and the platform has also rolled out a polls and comments feature. But now your audience can cast their votes on your polls right from the caption of your feed, post, reels, carousel, and static post. So here's how to add polls to your Instagram post. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can upload posts first on your Instagram. You can tap on this icon, plus icon. Now you can choose picture that you want to add to your Instagram. I will upload this photo. Tap on next. Tap on next. Now on the caption, you can tap on the caption. You'll see there is an option poll. You can tap on that. Now you can ask question for your poll. As example, I will write this. Now you can tap on the poll. You can write the options. I will use emoji as the options. You can make more than 2 options. Like this, and yes. After that, you can tap on the up right corner here. Polls cannot be edited after you posting this picture, this post. So make sure that you write it rightly. Tap on the up right corner here. Now you can tap on share. It's finishing up. Now I will show you from my profile. Here's the post that we just. So here's the vote. Your vote will be visible to the poll creator. Other may be able to see that you vote, but no, not what you voted for. So anyone who sees your posting like this, they can vote to your post. I will switch my account to the other account and try to vote here. And maybe this vote won't be visible to the other account for some reason, I don't know, but here's how to add polls to your Instagram post. So that is how to add polls to your Instagram post. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.